Thank you for joining me once again. This is the second career path under the second area of specialization, and this vocational training is FACHKRAFT for STRAßEN on VERKEHRSTECHNIK, that is Road and Traffic Engineering Specialist. The duration for this is 3 years. It's also an anerkannten Ausbildung. It's state recognized. What is their job description? They are specialists in road and traffic technology. They take on the maintenance and the expansion of roads, bridges or tunnels on behalf of engineers. They also collect traffic data. They evaluate it, take topographical photographs, and carry out position and height measurements before making structural drawings by hand or in the computer. Where do they find employment? They find employment in road traffic engineering companies. They find employment in public administration, and they also find employment in road construction companies. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need a certificate. You need your Hochschulreife or your Realschulabschluss. That is your university qualification or secondary school leaving certificate. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The third career path in this area of specialization is Fahrradmonteur, that is a bicycle assemblyman. The duration for this is 2 years, and it's anerkannte Ausbildung as well. It's state recognized. What do? They service bicycle components individually according to customer requirements. They equip it with standard models or with additional parts. They maintain bicycles. They dismantle and reassemble the bicycles using test measuring devices. Where do they find employment? They find employment in companies that assemble or repair bicycles, or companies that are into bicycle accessory trades. Do you need any certificate? Yes, you can. With certificates or without certificate, go into this professional training. If you have your Hochschulreife, your Fachhochschulreife, or your Realschulabschluss, if you have your university qualification, you have your technical college qualification, or you have your secondary school leaving certificate, or you don't have a certificate, you can go into this vocational training. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.